Honorable Governor, with your permission, sir, the proceedings may begin. Honorable Governor, with your permission, sir, the order of appointment of the minister designate may be read. I read the order dated November 19, 2023 of Honorable Governor, and I quote, in exercise of the powers vested in me under Article 164(1) of the Constitution of India, I, P.S. Sridharan Pillai, Governor of Goa, hereby appoint Shri Alexio Sequeira as Minister on the recommendation of the Chief Minister. Shri Alexio Sequeira will assume office from the date he is administered the oath of office and secrecy. Unquote. Signed by Shri P.S. Sridharan Pillai, Governor of Goa. I request Honorable Governor to administer the oath of office and secrecy to Minister Designate. I request Minister Designate Shri Alexio Sequeira to come and take the oath of office and secrecy.
I, Alesh Sequeira, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as a minister for the state of Goa, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law without fear or favor, affection or ill will. I, Alesh Sequeira, do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a minister for the state of Goa, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such minister.
Goan Shal also.